Sorry, Pravisha.
He plays very nice, madam.
No, she plays very good at team 39.
Madame Mohini, don't hide it there.
Play, play.
Maybe it's easier if she comes up front.
Oh. Madame Mohini, you can call to the stage.
Yeah, right? I don't know how to do it. No, it's the same. It's just
It might be a scale changer, so it might be on a different scale. It sounds similar.
Anu?
No, no.
Relationship is low.
Manu might know.
Put it in the middle.
Yes.
Straight, not in the middle.
In the
No,
middle?
in the middle. Uno, why did I touch it?
Technical difficulties.
Moro que es más bajo o más alto.
I have my harmonium downstairs.
Hold on.
Why do you have a small one here?
You have a small one?
Take the small ones out.
No, no, no. No, entonces con
Alright, so hold on, let me show you.
The second one?
The big one's the one, the small one's the one.
Just the second one. Just this one?
That's right.
All the small ones are.
All the small ones in there.
How did you have it? All the small ones? It's work. A good care time. I'll just run downstairs. It's over here. Yeah, bring
Gurave Gaura Chandraya Radhikaya Tadala Jai Krishnaya Krishna Bhattaya Tad Bhattaya Namo Namah. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Sri Advaita Radha Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. More than talking, actually I would like to share with you what I was reading this morning about Bhakti Rasayan. Beautiful book, so nice. And Srila Gurudev said in one of those pages the importance of this type of gathering, listening Harikatha and having good association. There he says that the power of Harikatha is so much that once enters the ears, enters the heart. And from the heart, snatches away unlimited sinful activities and unlimited anarthas. Not only that, but if we dedicate our life as much as possible, just listen to Harikatha, then there is no need of vairagya even, Srila Gurudev says. So important. So in this world we are full of addictions, we cannot avoid. But actually there's nothing wrong with addictions as long as we rechannel those to Krishna as much as possible. No? It's so difficult with so much stimulus out there and so many prostheses that distract our minds, like the earpiece, the cell phones, the computers, the TV, and so much distractions, those prostheses, they can take us away from reality, take us away from Krishna. So Krishna is also, sometimes people say so many wrong things about addictions. But addictions is built in, actually, in the living entity. Krishna was so much addicted to his devotees in all rasas. He was so much addicted to his cows, his her boys, especially the three anarthas, Subal, Sridham, Madhumangal, Astoka Krishna, Arjun, so many. And he was so much addicted to Mother Yashoda and to Nanda Baba, and so much addicted especially to his gopis, and especially to Srimati Radhika. So there's nothing wrong with addiction as long as we rechannel them in a spiritual way. But in the meantime, because we're so much conditioned and we have so many material desires, let's try to reduce as much as we can those material addictions. After all, the material addictions, if you overdose, you simply die. In the spiritual reality, if you overdose with the spiritual addictions, then you get prema, you get perfection of life, you know, the most exalted. So
It's Krishna.
yeah, especially. So I just want to thank Maharaj for giving us this opportunity to listen beautiful Harikatha in great Sadhu Sangha, although we don't deserve it.
So they are now going back now. Oh! No, I'm not going.
Narayan, how do you configure this?
Just one, please.
I think
No, you're not going. I'm not going. I'm going crazy. Please, Gurudev will help me. I'm going crazy. Okay, just one. Oh, Jai Ho!
This is from him, okay, not from me.
चक्षुरुदं येन तस्मै गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय विष्णुदाय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णाय प्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनामने हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश विकासं Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please come here. Let's speak some Harikatha. 5 minutes. Can you come here? Please, like it. No. If I speak in
reality, I feel like when India was full of proud, and he was thinking, who is this boy that is in the house of Nanda Maharaj? So immediately he started sending all type of bad weather and rain and all type of clouds to kill all the inhabitants of Vrindavan. But Krishna was so merciful and so full of love for the Brajavasis that immediately he lived in the Govardhan hill with his pinky finger, and then all the inhabitants was under the mountain. They was trembling, and there was so much cold, but because Krishna was there, they feel completely protected. So in the same way, we are in the troubles of this material world, so many desires, so many shortcomings, so many anarthas in our heart. But under the umbrella of Gurudev, Van Maharaj, and all our Guru Varga, we can feel safe. We can feel that for a moment, all those troubles, all the bad weather, all those shortcomings, all those things that are inside of the heart, for a couple minutes and for a couple hours, while we are in sadhusanga, all those things go away. For a moment you feel happy. You feel happiness, you develop faith that all my problems could be solved under the umbrella of Gurudev. So, in this way, this is our honest feeling. And we must be very thankful because all those Samvartaka clouds soon maybe this life or maybe few more lives or whatever is Krishna desire will disappear and we'll be completely happy. Jai Hare Krishna.
So first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvanda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha, Sridhar Goswami Bhakti, Kishore Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan, Srila Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava Goswamis and present here, all of my respectful request. So just I want to speak few words to purification of my tongue. Because if you listen Harikatha, then your ears will be purified. If you speak Harikatha, then your tongue will be purified. And if you take darshan to deities of Lord, then your eyes will be purified. So in this way, our Shastra also explains always glorify pastimes of Krishna and his devotees, Krishna and Krishna Bhakta. And so, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed the highest prema, divine love to the all over the world. He did not discriminate who is qualified or who is quite disturbing.
Sorry, good day. You want me to put it up on the chair? There you go, it's fixed. Jai Gurudev!
Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathuravad, और श्रीमूर्ति श्रद्धाय सेवन, सकल साधन श्रेष्ठ, पांचेर मुख्य अंग, कृष्ण प्रेम जन्माय पांचेर अल्प संग. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, just you associate with sadhu. First that is called sadhu sangha. Then 5 devotional service to Lord. First devotional service to Lord, that is called sadhu sangha. Understand? To associate with sadhu. Sadhu sangha, sarva shastri koy, lava matra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi har. All the revealed scriptures, Veda, Purana, Upanishad, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, everywhere glorify about the association of sadhu sangha. So sadhu sangha is very important in our spiritual life. Because bhakti comes from the heart of the pure devotee of Lord. Bhakta sanjate bhakta. Bhakti comes from the heart of pure devotee of Lord. So that means you every day you have to associate with sadhu. So 2 kinds of sadhu. One is a bhakta sadhu and it is called grantha sadhu. You are reading Chaitanya Charitamritam. That means you associate with Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami. Or Bhakta Sadhu, you associate with the pure devotee of Lord. Listen Hari Katha. Bhakta Sadhu, when he speaks Hari Katha, that is called transcendental vibration. That is called Sabda Brahma. That Sabda Brahma, transcendental vibration, enter in your ear and coming in your heart and destroy all unwanted things from your heart. So for this regard, or Shastra explains, you will have to associate with Sadhu. And Sadhu Sangha means you listen Hari Katha. Sadhu Sangha, Hari Katha. Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtan. Always listen Hari Katha from Sadhu. Then all you unwanted things removed from your heart. But what kinds of sadhu? High class, exalted, pure devotee of Lord. Yesterday I told. Lord Kapil Dev told his mother, devotee, oh my mother, always associated with sadhu. Satan prasangat mama virju samvido bhavante hitkarna rasayana katha tajju sanat asu apavarga vartmani Shraddharuti bhakti ranokrame sati. Lord Kapil Dev told my mother, stop. Don't touch.
Emily, where's the chair? Turn the plug. Turn the plug.
Very good. Why this touch? Very good.
Turn it in the middle. It was on in the middle part of the switch. Get it too far.
Everybody sit down, not. We're going again and again. Very good. Hare Krishna.
There's 3 parts of the switch. It's the middle part, not the all the way through.
Okay, Satang prasangat mamavir jo sanvidu bhavanti hit karna rasayana katha tajjo sanat asu apavarga vartmani Shraddharuti bhakti ranukramisati. Kapil Dev told my mother, with the association of sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then first all your unwanted things remove from you. What is the unwanted thing? You understand? What is that? First, all your sinful activities destroy from your heart. That is called sin. Papa. Because in your lives, you committed many kinds of sin. For this your heart completely contaminated. For this regard, you have no taste to listen Hari Katha. Why you have no taste to listen Hari Katha? Ore mon ruchi nahi kena tab Krishna naam kavi jani purva janme rahe kato papa karme se lagi vidhata surivam. One high-class exalted Vaishnava poet, his name Premananda Thakur. What is his name? What did he say? Ore mon, you ask your mind, oh mind, why you have no taste to listen Hari Katha? Why you have no taste to chanting Hari Name? Because all the scriptures explain. If you chant holy names, then so much happiness comes to your heart. But why have you no taste to chanting holy names? Why? Because in previous life, or maybe this life, you committed many sins or offenses related to Vaishnava. And for this regard, you have no taste to chanting. So now what you will do? Again and again, chanting holy name. You have no taste, but you by force chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You have to chant holy name by force. This is the process. You have no taste to associate with sadhu, listen Harikatha. But by force you have also listen Harikatha. This because the Harikatha is very powerful. That is called Sabda Brahma. Transcendental vibration. This transcendental vibration, Sabda Brahma, enter in your ear and coming in your heart and destroy it. And your heart will be neat and clean. Because the Harikatha also non-difference from Krishna. And Krishna also sit in your heart. And so saying Satang Prasangad Movirja Samguru Bhavanti Hit Karna Rasayana Satha. Rasayana is very sweet pastimes of Krishna. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Krishna Vijayadava residents of Braj, Brajavasis. The residents of Braj, Brajavasi, when they perform their household duty, milking the cows, for their chanting. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Krishna Niyadava Saketi Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. When they are milking the cow, that time they complete or absorb something, Lord's sweet name. Jaduhane avanane matana pralepa ringchai chanado rudito chanamarjanado gayanti chaino anurakta dhyavosru kantho dhanna vrajastriyo urukrama chitta jano. Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukdev Goswami Pad told Hey Maharaj Parikshit. When Braj Gopis, they also milking the cows. That sweet melody coming from there. And very sweet rhythm coming. But that time they have no mridanga, kartal, harmonium. We are playing mridanga. You are playing harmonium. You are also playing kartal. But when Braj Gopis, they milking the cows, when they sang and glorified the person Krishna. So much happiness. Hey, listen, Harikatha, sit down, sit. Otherwise your mind will
Shri Krishna, you need to
No,
move the
you
car.
listen to me.
Yes.
Because they can find the parking.
Don't look other.
You have your car inside the park in the house,
Bring them closer.
in the
Otherwise
back.
your mind would
You
disturb.
need to move the car. It's the old
Huh?
one.
What? The BMW, who has a BMW? Someone has a BMW.
Ah.
You need to move the BMW.
You understand? Otherwise mind would disturb.
Yes.
Listen Harikatha. Just open your eyes. Don't close your eyes. If you close eyes means you are sleeping. Many years you are sleeping. Many lives you are sleeping. Now you listen. Mahaprabhu, what did he say? Jeev jago.
Wake up.
Mahaprabhu, what did he say? Jeev jago. Jeev jago. Gora chand bole. Kata nidra jao maya pisachi. How long you sleep on the lap of? Please wake up, wake up. And listen Harikatha. And Mahaprabhu told, Enechi Ausodhi Maya Nasi Varla. Mahaprabhu told, I brought very powerful medicine from Golo Vrindavan. Take this medicine. You don't want to take. But Mahaprabhu gave him by force. Take this. Why not? Mahaprabhu said, Enechi Ausodhi Maya Nasi Varla. Harinam Mahamantra Lautmi. This Harinam is your path. Harinam and Harikatha. This is very powerful. So, I also told when Brajavasis, residents of Vrindavan, when they are milking the cows, that time also singing the sweet names of Krishna. Govinda Namo Dharanaveti Govinda Namo Dharanaveti Govinda Namo Dharanaveti Govinda Namo Dharanaveti Krishna Vedanta He Sakheti Govinda Namo Dharanaveti. All the sweet rhythm, rhythm, tune come. When they are milking the cows, the sound of mridanga come. Zoom, zoom. When they are milking the cows, milk comes. As like mridanga. And sweet kartal, sound of kartal, understand? What is the kartal? Kartal sound is coming here. Because Braj Gopis, they have so many bangles. When they are milking the cows, this sound also. All the bangles, they are touching to each other and making sound. This thing. And that very sweet rhythm coming from their mouth. That is called harmonium. Sa re ga. You know, sa re ga ma pa ga ma re sa da. Very nice. Udatto, Anudatto and Sari. Sometimes coming very low, sometimes middle and sometimes high. Understand? Sa re sa re ga. Very soft to like middle to going, then again down, middle, then again up. This is it. Why I am saying this? Because when Brajavasis, they perform any their household duties, not only milking the cow. Even when they cleaning their courtiers, taking the what is called broom. Eh? What they are chanting? Govinda Namo Radhareti, Govinda Namo Radhareti. Hey Krishna, Hey Radha, Hey Saketi, Govinda Namo Radhareti. Then their heart completely what? Melted. Eh? Heart melted. And they are slowing down. Eh? As like the stream of Ganges or Jamuna. You know? The water of the Jamuna and Ganges rolling down from their eyes. Eh? Yadone Avone Mathon Pilipo, Prenche Chanadvo Ruditu Charamar Janadu, Gayanti Janurapta Diosru Kanto, Dhanna Vrajastrio, Urukama Chittayan. Because with the association of sadhu sangha, then your realization will come. Then your feeling will come. Otherwise, it's not possible. Because sadhu can protect us from the mind. How? Listen Hari Katha. To listen Hari Katha is the path. So sadhu sangha. Nam Sankirtan. Nam Sankirtan is what path. But how chant holy names? With the association of sadhu sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Ekaki amar nahi payo bolo, Hari Nama Sankirtane. Ekaki amar nahi payo bolo, Hari Nama Sankirtane. Ar tumi kripa kori Sadharindu diya, tumi kripa kori Sadharindu diya, Deha Krishna Namadhane, Deha Krishna Namadhane. Ohe Vaishnava Thakura, Dayaro Sagara, Idase Koruna Kori. Ar diya pada chaya, Sudhaye amare, Tomaro charana dhuri. Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed this verse and glorification about Sadhu Vaishnava. Hey Vaishnava Thakur, I am holding your lotus feet. Please give me one, just sprinkle mercy upon me. Give one, just. And Shraddha Bindu, give you one, just sprinkle mercy. Because without your mercy, we cannot chant holy name. When we receive the mercy of Guru and Vaishnava, then that time we can chant holy name. So say, Hey Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara, Edase Koruna Kori. Hey Vaishnava Thakur is the ocean of mercy. Understand? How much water in the ocean? You cannot calculate. In the same way, Vaishnavas is called the ocean of mercy. Just give me one drop of ocean of mercy. Hey Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara, Edase Koruna Kori. Ar diya pada chaya, Sudhaye amare, তোমার চরণ ধরে। Just keep and just one and what particle food does happen. That is Vaishnava Padadhuri, Vaishnava Padadhuri. Understand? Vaishnava Padadhuri means the food dust of Vaishnava. This is very powerful. And Bhakta Padadhuri আর Bhakta Padajal Bhakta Bhukta সেই তিন সাধনের বল। এই তিন হইতে প্রেমা হয় সর্বশাস্ত্রে পুকারিয়া কয়। চৈতন্য চৈতন্য। All the scriptures, even scriptures. The three things are very powerful. What are the three things? The food dust of Vaishnava. Vaishnava. Second, the food bathing water of Vaishnava. Bhakta Pada Dhuli, Bhakta Pada Dhuli. Or Bhakta Bhukta says that is called Parija. Remembrance of Vaishnava. But these three are things very. How will take this? With faith. श्रद्धा करियो, श्रद्धा विश्वास करियो भाई करो ये तीनों सेवा। Oh my brother, you have to take these three things with faith. Understand? But this is the external meaning and internal meaning. This is the external meaning. What is the internal meaning? What is the meaning of Vaishnava Padadhuli? Understand? One day I told, you forget.
Instructions.
Always follow
His instructions.
the instruction of sadhu and guru. That is called Padadhuli. Then when you walk, then automatically dust also, what is called? Going free. Diver follows. You go, then automatically dust also follows you. Behind dust to come. So that means is what? Follow the instruction of sadhu and this is the internal meaning of Bhakta Padadhuli. So that's the Vaishnava. If you not follow the instruction of sadhu guru, your life is useless. Understand? So always follow sadhu, instruction of sadhu and guru. Follow instruction. Then Bhakta Pada Dhuli, a Bhakta Pada Jal, the food bathing water of Guru and Vaishnava. That is called Hari Katha. Understand? Very important. Our Bhakta Bhukta says the remnants of Vaishnava, what is that? They are moved. Touch the heart of Guru and Vaishnava. How will touch them? Listen, Hari Katha. Then your same mood will come. Listen. This is very important. How Brajavasis, the residents brought out. Subal, Siddham, Nanda, Jasoda, Gopi, Lalita, Visakha, Rupanjali, Srimati, Radhika. How this is hard to succeed. With their highest mood. This thing. And this type of mood also automatically manifests in your heart. Then we realize something. Then your heart will be open. So saying the Bhakta Pada Dhuli Yar, Bhakta Pada Jal, Bhakta Bhukta Sei Teen, Sadhaner Bol. This sadhan bol, you get the so much strength, power from the association of sadhu and guru. So saying Ekaki Amar nahi paye bol. If you chant holy names alone, but strength will not come. And sleepiness will come. Hari Bo, Hare Krishna. But with the devotees, you chant holy name, there is so much enthusiasm will come. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is very important. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. But which sadhu? Those who have never criticized any Vaishnava. who criticize Vaishnava, you also avoid. You understand? This is very important. One who criticizes Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava should not associate. And then your mind will be contaminated. Gurudev told, you want to criticize Vaishnava, that still he has no bhakti, nothing. Still he is not also Kanishtha Adhikari. Kanishtha Adhikari magnified. So Mahaprabhu also instructed all people, never criticize. Kaharina ninda pare Krishna Krishna bole Ajiya Chaitanya say Jinive Hare. Never criticize Vaishnava, never bless prem to Vaishnava. And chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant. Sadhu Sangha or Nam Sankirtan. Bhagavad Shravan. Bhagavad Shravan. Listen. Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Understand? Very powerful. Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kaviviriritam Kalmasavapam Sravana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvigrinanti Te Bhurida Janam. Srimati Radhika himself, herself recited this Gopiji. Hey Krishna, Tava Katham Ritam, your sweet pastime, nectarine pastime, very powerful. And if you drink nectar, you will become immortal. And in the same way, if you listen Hari Katha, that means listen pastimes of Krishna, then you will become immortal. You will never die. That means what? You will attain to Guru Vrindavan. Again will not come this material world. Which life you will attain to Guru Vrindavan? This life. Not next life. Understand? What is faith? If I chant holy names, listen Hari Katha, then after I give up my this body, I will attain where? Guru Vrindavan. Jadgatva no nivartanti tadhama. I think Guru Vrindavan, never come back. Morning I told. Understand? If I attain to go Vaikuntha, transcendental world, again not coming. So that means Jivas never fall down Vaikuntha Dham. Jivas because Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna says, Jadgatva non-nivartante tadhamam paramam. One who attains my abode Vaikuntha Dham, again will never come back with me. Because this material world is called Maya Jagat. You know? Maya. She is very powerful. Understand? Miami. Yeah. Maha Maya.
Stronger here.
Strong Maya.
Maya, me.
Maya, me. Because this material world is called the Maya material world. This is the nature, Maya Devi. And she is the controlling this material world. And who is she? Durga Devi. You know? Durga Devi. You understand Durga Devi? The goddesses of material world. She is protecting so all the living entities. No one can. Actually, she is called the jailer. You know?
Jailer.
Jailer.
One is in charge of the jail.
Oh, the jailer.
Jailer.
You cannot go out. He is guarding. Understand this? But if you chant holy names, and completely surrender lotus feet of Guru and Krishna. Then she will also release. Chalo. Otherwise, Krishna says also this. Daividhesa gunamai mama maya durattaya mame vaja prapaddante maya me tang tarantite. Krishna says, hey Arjuna, listen. My maya, she is very powerful. She is as like octopus. You know octopus? Right. Understand? You cannot escape. So Devi Jesa Gunavi Mama Maya Drutta Mamime Jo Prapaddante. One who absolutely, completely surrender to me. Then he will release by he will free from this mind. I think to go to Vrindavan. So that means you have to surrender to the feet of Guru and Krishna. Yesterday I told this katha. Then there are 6 limbs of Saranagati, Anukullasa Sankalpa, Pratikulasa Vivarjanam, Rakhisati Viswasu Bhuktiti Varanam Tatha, Atma Nikhipa Karpanye Saravidha Saranagati. What are the 6 limbs of Saranagati? You forget? Now remember. Here. Anukulasa Sankalpa, which are favorable for bhakti, you have to accept. Those who are unfavorable for bhakti, you have to reject. Anukulasa Sankalpa, Rakhisati. All you think Krishna is my protector. These types of faith, Bhakti te varanam tatha. And Krishna is my maintainer. And understand? Anukula Sankalpa, Pratikula Vibharjana, Rakhisati Viswasa Bhakti. And Atma Nikhip. And you offer yourself lotus feet of Krishna. And Karpanya is very humble. Tanadapi Sunichena Taroriva Srisnuna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadari. All is very humble. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is important. Never criticize anyone and chant and give up all your what? False. All is very humble. Tanadapi Sunich, very humble. More than the blade of grass. Understand? If you step the blade of grass, grass automatically what? Going down. But when you step, check out, then again grass also. But here see no, more Tinadapi Sunich, more than that means all is very humble. Targu Shrestha, with tolerance as like tree. Tree is there, giving everything to us. Tree is the perfect example of tolerance. No one can tolerance as like tree. And so much rain, or it's called snowfall. Tolerance or not? We are inside the house, and also heater system, you know. But outside the trees, they are suffering or not? Sometimes a strong wind, there are branches also break. They are feeling pain or not? If anybody little bit pinch your finger or you feel pain or not?
Yes.
But look, the trees, and they are suffering. So never to break the branches of the tree. Without reason, don't
break the branches.
Break the branches. One day the devotee brought that the branches of the tulasi. I am very sad, upset. No. Why did you do this? She's thinking, oh, very nice, beautiful present is I answer. She also brought and the branch of the tree. No, this is true. What do you think? Give love and affection. And when need, you can also, what is called? You pluck the leaves of the tulasi. Understand? Without reason, should not pick up the leaves. And which leaves offer to Krishna? Try to understand. Very nice, beautiful, soft manjari. That thing Krishna will you offer. And this is important. You understand? Because Krishna will accept the leaves of tulasi, this is true. But which tulasi? Two sides, small leaves and middle manjari. Mahaprabhu told this. And that things you offer to Krishna. Then Krishna will accept your offer. You prepare many kinds of preparation, delicious food, but you are not offered tulasi. Krishna will not accept your offering. Chapanna Banyan. Tulasi Vina Govinda Nakare Graha. Chaitanya Bhagavad. You prepare many kinds of 56 types of preparation. You prepare and offer to Lord. But you forget offering tulasi. But which tulasi? What is the thing? Small soft tulasi, small leaves, and also middle. That tulasi. And sometimes somebody just taking and leaves, maybe very old. That's what Krishna says. Krishna will accept this Mahaputra. This thing. Her is not available as like when you are going to Siberia. Understand? Russia. -20, -15. Minus, everybody -40 also. Very cold. Very completely full of snow.
Why?
Siberia.
You going there?
Yeah, every year I'm going there. But that is not available.
I wish to that.
Tulasi. But devotees, they also put the tulasi there. Or sometimes they also keep the dry tulasi leaves.
Is this okay?
Because it's not available, what to do. But when it is available, then you can give tulasi. In our house, Manuvilas and there are many tulasi there. So you can take it. Not so much. Little. Because tulasi leaves, you will feel pain or not?
Yes.
So that is not too much, but the
Leaves.
leaves.
And we ask for forgiveness.
Understand? This is also very important. So now, Tinadi Suni Toru Vishnu. Why am I saying? Because no one can tolerate as like
Trees. Giving wood fruits.
Trees, they are giving everything for us. Giving everything. Giving the fruits, flowers, root, everything. We cannot do this. But trees are very Pamanina Manadev. But it's very humble and give respect to others. Understand? You give to respect all your seniors. And if you love and affection, you give your juniors. You understand? This is very important, two things. You give respect to whom? Seniors. Or give love and affection to? Very humble. No criticize love. All you are the family member of Guru and Krishna. That is called Krishna Parivar, Gaura Parivar. Understand? All we are belong to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All the family is member of Mahaprabhu. So this is Gaura Parivar. Parivar, understand? Family. We all with them and family member of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And even the new people will come, also give respect. His love and patience. Please come, take Mahaprasad. Understand? Then sometimes without Mahaprasad, don't go. Everybody take Mahaprasad. Call to them, hey, take Mahaprasad. Understand? Give love and affection. If you not learn these things, how do you give respect? So Tinad and Amani and Man. Never thankari for your own name, fame and reputation. If anybody will get name, fame, reputation, you offer to Guru and Krishna. And always this is not my credit. This is the credit of Guru and Krishna. This is very important. Because if you practice bhakti, if Guru will give you respect, this is nature. But you think this is not my credit. This credit coming from Guru and Krishna. This is very important. And give love and affection. Vaishnava means it. Then all is very humble and give love and affection. Respect and love and affection. Remember this. Give respect of your and love and affection give. Not just the speaking as like parrot. You know, parrot also singing very nice, beautiful words. Understand? If you teach, the parrot will be Hare Krishna, Ram, 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 Ram. Understand? You go on internet, parrot also are speaking. Hare Krishna. You see? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. But when this is also imitating. But when the cat jumped upon me, that time he is not speaking, he is not uttering. What is it? Cha, cha, cha. So why say this? And you practice yourself and give respect for others, not imitate. And do bhajan sana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Can I ask one question?
I have a question later. Okay. Now listen. If not listening, how to question? If you listen, all your question solved. Understand? No question will come. All your question automatically will solve. So listen carefully. If you not listen, then question will come. Understand? But sometimes question coming for not yourself, for the others. As like Srimad Bhagavatam, Parikshit Maharaj asked many questions to Sukadeva Goswami. Why Krishna performed Raj dance with the gopis? Those who are the wife of others go. Why? Actually, this is not the question of Parikshit Maharaj. This is the question of mundane people. Because those they have no knowledge about gopis, they have no knowledge about Krishna. Why Krishna performed Raj dance with the gopis? Are there gopis? They are the wife of others gopis. Kima Abhiprayo Judupati Paradaro Abhimarsanam. Kima Abhiprayo Judupati. Judupati Krishna. He comes in this material world, kill the demons and establish the Varnashram Dharma. Understand? Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna. Paritranam sadhunam vinasaya cha duskritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Learn this word. Gita. What the slope?
One more time.
One more time.
Will you give me one more time? I'll listen very carefully and repeat.
Paritrana sadhunam परित्राणाय साधनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Every Yuga, Krishna says, every Yuga I appear. Why? To protect the sadhu and kill the demons, those who destroyed the varnashrama. So the Paritrana Sadhanam Vinashaya Duskritam Dharma Samsthapanarthaya Sambhavami Yuge. Demon, they disturb the varnashram. So, for this regard, here Parikshit Maharaj asked this question. The Krishna, he performed Ras dance with the gopis. Other gopis, they are the wife of other gopis. So, why Krishna performed this Ras dance with the gopis? And what is this varnashram dharma? Actually, this question is not Parikshit Maharaj. You understand? This is not the question of Parikshit. Parikshit Maharaj, he knows everything, Tathasiddha. But he asks this question for the others, those who have no knowledge about gopis. Sometimes you can ask question. Why? You cannot understand. You have your doubts. If you have any doubts, you can ask. But how to ask the question? Tad viddhi pranipatino pariprasneno sevaya upadikchanti te jnano jnanino tattvadarshina. Learn Bhagavad Gita. This is very important. Tad viddhi pranipat pariprasna or seva. Three things. If you want to know about Tattva Siddhanta, then you have to follow the three things. Very humble. Pay your obeisances. Pranipat means pay your obeisances. To the pranipat. Pariprasna. Tadvidi pranipat. You ask. Very humble. So I cannot understand this. Or sevaya. Third, what is that? Seva means tendency to serve Guru and Krishna. These three things. So saying, learn this verse. Gita. What is it called? What did they say? Tadvidhi pranipat pariprasna seva. Upadikshante jnanina tattvadarshina. Then he will give the perfect answer to you. Otherwise, no. If you ask a question, and avoid. Who will give the answer? When the three things will come. Pranipat, very humble. And Pariprasna, Shiva, and Seva. If you have no Seva Vritti is the tendency to serve Guru and Krishna. Or if you listen Hari Katha, then all your doubts automatically what?
Destroyed.
Removed from us. So when Parikshit Maharaj asked this question, why Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis, those who are the wife of others gopis? Then Sukadeva Goswami become angry. Ukta Prastat, hey, I told you before. But you did not listen carefully. And if you not listen carefully, then many doubts will come. Because Hari Katha means destroy all your doubts. So why your doubts come? That means you are not
Listening perfectly.
Listening perfectly. Because enter in this earth and going out. Answer. Or maybe your mind also traveling around the world without ticket, without passport, or without
Visa.
sitting here but thinking other things. Your body is here but thinking
Other things.
other things. So how person listen? Listen means every word, every single word. You have to know. Don't miss any word. Listen carefully. And if your mind going here and there, what they are doing, what they are doing. And no, when Harikatha, your mind complete what?
Focus.
Concentrate. Harikatha, focus. It's very important. So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad. Listen, Bhagavad Katha from Vaishnava, not Avaishnava. Avaishnava, Mukhodikinnam, Kuta Harikathamritam, Sravanam Naiva Kartavam, Sarpochista Jathape. Well, Bhagavad Katha is nectar, Amrit. But here say, no, don't listen Bhagavad Katha from the mouth of Avaishnava. Avaishnava means non-devotee. Who has no Guru Nishtha, who criticizes to Vaishnava, should not listen Bhagavad Katha from his mouth. Give an example, milk. If you drink the milk, you will become healthy. This is what? But same milk contaminate with the mouth of the snake. You drink, then you will die. So this Bhagavad Katha is nectar, Amrit. But you listen to Bhagavad Katha from non-devotee. Non-devotee means who is called non-devotee? Those are criticized to Vaishnava. Envious people. And Advaitavadi, Mayavadi. Should not listen to Bhagavad Katha from Mayavadi or Advaitavadi. Listen to Bhagavad Katha from Vaishnava. Sarva Vedanta Sarangi Srimad Bhagavad. Sarva Vedanta Sarangi Srimad Bhagavad. Because Srimad Bhagavad very sweet Katha is. Jat Vaishnavanam Priyam. So have to listen to Bhagavad Katha from Vaishnava, not Vaishnava. And chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Savan, Mathura Vas. Mathura Vas means you always reside in Braj, Vrindavan. If not possible to stay in Braj with your physical body, but your mind always absorbed in Braj Katha. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan. Sri Govinda This is called Brajavas. Tishtan Braji, always stay in Braj. If it's not possible physically, stay in Braj. But in your mind, always stay in Braj. Listen to this. Remembering pastimes of Krishna. Krishna pastime. Seva Kunja, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan, Viraj, Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda. Satik Jaya Radha Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan, Sri Govinda Gopinath, Madana Mohan. Your mind absorbed in Braj. So Sapajika Rupa district, Krishna Braji. Then always you stay, reside in Vrindavan. तो भागवत श्रवण मुत्रवास श्रीमूर्ति और श्रीमूर्ति श्रद्धा सेवन और इज वर्शिप फॉर ठाकुर जी and with form faith. What is the form faith? This Vigraha, that is Suchidananda Vigraha, one different from Krishna. And especially in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, "Oh my mother, listen, in this Kali Yuga, always I manifest in 3 forms. How many forms?
3.
What is that?
Sachi and Nanda.
Huh? Naam, sorry. You chant your Naam, Harinam.
Harinam.
Harinam is non-different from
Sachi Hari.
Naam. Sorry. Second, Naam Vigraha. Vigraha, this deity. This deity is a Vigraha also, non-different from Lord. Sachidananda, the Vigraha will speak with you. If you have Bhakti Prema, then this Vigraha then will speak to you. You want to speak or not?
Yes.
How will you speak? Then your faith. Then will Vigraha say. Vigraha is non-different from Krishna. Sachidananda Vigraha. As like Sanatana Goswami Prabhupada. He worshipped what's the Thakurji name?
Madan Mohan.
Madan Mohan. And Vigraha.
Chupati will also.
Understand? Then Madan Mohan asks, Sanatan, you give me little salt. Because every day you are giving me chapati without salt. But give me salt. Then Sanatan, no, I will not give salt to you. This is called loving quarrel. Understand? If you have so much love and affection, then quarrel coming out. And because love means always zigzagging.
Zigzag, like balancing a tightrope.
This way, as like snake. Snake walks in zigzagging. But when snake enter in the hole, then stay. You have seen or not?
Yeah.
You can see that when snake enter in the hole, then stay. Not within it. And other way, when walking, zigzagging. Then what is the love? Love that creates this types of quarrel. But in this material world, quarrel is our own sense gratification. So don't quarrel. Don't quarrel. This is called offense. Don't quarrel to each other. Give love and everything. So sadhu, what did he say? Srimurti Shraddha. So I am saying Sanatana Goswami Pad, he served his Thakurji Madan Mohan. And Thakurji Madan Mohan told, hey, give me some salt. And Sanatana Goswami Pad told, no, I will not give salt to you. And another way, also, Lokanath Das Goswami. Lokanath Das Goswami, he worships his Thakurji Binodi Lal. What is his name?
Binodi Lal.
If you go Jaipur, you will see very nice. Thakurji is there also. Lokanath Das Goswami, the guru of Natam Das Thakur. Natam Das Thakur took Diksha from Lokanath Das Goswami. What name? Lokanath. Lokanath Das Goswami, he performed bhajan in southern Braj. And one day Thakurji told, hey Lokanath, I can't sleep. Then what will do? Will massage my feet. Then Lokanath Das Goswami very nicely, softly and gently massage the feet of Thakurji. What is the name of Thakurji? Binodi Lal.
Binodi Lal.
Binodi Lal.
Binodi Lal.
Then Thakurji slept. Then after couple of minutes, midnight, again Thakurji came. Lokanath, not Lokanath. Today is very hot. I can't sleep. You know what to do? Okay, you fanning to me. Then Lokanath Das Goswami, he brought some leaves. With the leaves and fanning Thakurji. Then Thakurji slept. When Thakurji slept, then Lokanath Das Goswami again. Then after 10-15 minutes, again Thakurji, Loknath. Okay, what happened? Oh, listen, I am very hungry. I am very hungry. And well, what do you want? Well, you prepare some prasad for me. And puri, you know puri sabji?
Yeah.
And puri and sabji. Then midnight, Loknath, he also and prepare rolling puri, chapati, and also sabji, very nice, and offered Thakurji. Then Thakurji ate, very nice. After eating prasad, then Vinodi Lal Thakurji told Loknath, for now about 3 a.m. I have to sleep. But every day you also, Mangalarti, what time? 4:30. Okay, today you got Mangalarti, maybe 10:30. Now you go to sleep. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Our Goswamis in this way, they also talk with Thakurji. And sometimes a laughing call, and Sanatana Goswami Pad, and his loving call with Madan Mohan. Our Vinodi Lal, then Loknath Das Goswami, with love and affection, what is it happening? Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. So in this is Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathura Vas, and fifth, Srimurti Shraddha is the one. You worship Thakurji with firm faith. Or you think this Thakurji, he has Sachinandan Gaurari. And everything he has. Gaurani Tai. Understand? Gaur Gurudas Babaji Maharaj, he also talked with his Thakurji Gaurani Tai. So many lies. I am saying with this is not on the metal or wood. It's Sachidananda. Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. So in this way, already faith is Thakurji, is my heart and soul. And Sat. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You offered? No. Offering or no?
Oh, now.
Now offered.
Talk more.
Or more talk over kirtan talk.
More kata.
More kata.
More kata. Now we are
Or maybe questions.
No. They will go tomorrow. They will work.
Okay, yes.
You are not working. Working or not?
I'm working to do what I can, please.
We are international.
But I'm not so good at it. So I'm
They
trying
will
hard.
go. Yeah. They take prasad, then take rest, then again Mangalarti, again tomorrow.
Okay.
Harikatha.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will go also.
Should I start getting
No.
ready?
No.
Until July.
You're not
Come back July.
Don't go, Gurudev.
But you come in July.
In July.
Yeah. Gurudev,
What
can I ask you a question?
is your question?
So, what constitutes someone being your senior? Is this meaning more time practicing bhakti, more realization practicing bhakti, more age? Which one is most constituting practicing someone is your senior? If they take initiation before you, if they're practicing more, I want to know exactly how you can explain as what I would consider someone my senior.
Which called senior, which called junior. Who is practicing more and more, who knows Tattva Siddhanta and chanting holy names, give and love and affection, he is called senior. Or who took Diksha many years but not practicing, not doing bhajan sadhan, no love and affection, is not senior. But you give respect. Understand? Understand what did he say?
I understand.
What is it?
Said that one who has more love and affection, who is practicing nice bhajan and sadhan, and who is more involved and enthusiastic in bhakti, this is more senior. And one who has taken Diksha many years before, but is not practicing bhajan and sadhan as much, is not senior to the other one. But you still give love and affection and respect.
Okay?
Thank you for the day.
Haribo.
Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai, Jai Shri Ram. Okay, now take. Jai Raghunath Prabhu ki Jai. Jai. Tu Raghunath.
Hare Krishna.
Sorry, I couldn't play.
You can give it to the Shreddy? Is helpful?
Yes.
I don't know, you take Prasad Prabhu. Huh? Everybody, what do you want?
One tablet.
This is no need to. Offering.
You know, I took my.
Give the